Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So loves, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all the 3 body care combos that you need for a dull skin, to fade skin discoloration, to get rid of uneven skin complexion. Like, the glow on your body is not just given. No matter what you do, then this video is for you, and this is a routine that you can actually carry out. So this video, we are going to be talking about body scrub, body moisturizer, and body oil. Every of these products are going to brighten your skin and also treat dark spots on your body. So first off, in the shower is a body scrub. So obviously you need a bar soap. So in this step, you can literally make use of any bar soap that you want. But when it comes to a body scrub, is this is the Dr. Meineiar Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub. The reason why I am mentioning a body scrub, I could mention a bar soap, I could mention a body wash, but the reason why I chose to mention a body scrub instead is because, do you know that one of the reasons why, no matter what you do on your body, your skin it still looks dull. Do you know that one of the reasons could be because you do not properly exfoliate your skin? And that's the reason why exfoliation is very, 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 very important. As long as you're trying to get rid of a dull skin, you're trying to even your skin complexion or fade dark spots, boosting your skin's radiance, then exfoliation is very vital. And that's the reason why I had to recommend a body scrub instead of a body soap or a body wash. This Dr. Meineiar Alpha Arbutin Scrub will not only deliver exfoliating benefits, it will also help you to treat dark spots on your body. So if you have like stubborn discoloration and you've been thinking, if I buy this one, it's not doing anything. You buy expensive body moisturizers, it's not doing anything. You buy affordable body moisturizers, it's not doing anything. 2 questions I'm going to ask you. The first question is, have you made use of this? That's the first question. The second question is, are you properly exfoliating your skin? Because don't you know that when you exfoliate your skin properly and rightly, not overdoing it, when you exfoliate your skin properly, you give your other body care products the chance to work better. You make it easier for them to work, to really dive deep into your skin and actually help you to get rid of that your dull skin or your uneven skin complexion. So yes, of course, I had to mention a body scrub. So for this step, don't worry, I'm going to explain this step and the reason why I decided to combine these 3 products for you. So for this step, the body scrub, which is what you use in shower, you don't use this every single day. So you exfoliate 2 to 3 times in a week. So for body scrub, it is going to help you when you exfoliate. It is going to help you remove the dead skin on the top layer of your skin so that your other skincare products can work better. And when your skin is properly exfoliated, it will help you get rid of textured skin. As a matter of fact, textured skin is one of the reasons why your skin refuses to glow. Yes, because your skin is textured. That's why you have a dull looking skin. And that is why you need the Dr. Meineiar Alpha Arbutin Sheer Sugar Scrub. Because this, oh my God, when I tell you that this is very nice to get rid of textured skin. Like, I really appreciate how this leaves my body feeling so smooth, so silky, soft, and smooth after I make use of this in my shower. It is that good. So if you have a textured skin on your body, then you need this. And then even before I even go further, maybe I did not mention it at the beginning of this video. This routine is an affordable routine. Every of these products in this routine, they are all affordable. Yes, they are all, none of them is even up to 10,000 naira. The 3 products combined together are, let's say, 20,000 naira and below. But first things first, exfoliation is very important, and that is why you need a body scrub. How this is going to help you with dark spots is, it contains 30% of alpha hydroxyl acid, AHA. AHA does not only exfoliate the skin. AHA also fades dark spots. If you don't know, go and make your research. If you think I'm lying, go and make your research, and you see that AHA is actually one of the best ingredients when it comes to fading dark spots, discoloration on the skin. So I really appreciate the fact that this contains 30% of AHA. So at that high percentage, which is 30, it is going to give you so much of a visible, noticeable effects or visible results as regards fading your dark spots, because it contains a very high amount of alpha hydroxyl acid, and this also contains alpha arbutin, another powerful ingredient for fading dark spots. Okay, so aside AHA and alpha arbutin, it contains 2% of beta hydroxyl acid, which is good for people that has body acne. Yes, salicylic acid is good for acne. So which means this is literally going to be good for any skin type. Whether you have an acne prone skin, body acne, dry skin. Yes, even that dry skin. Because how this moisturizes the skin. Like anytime I make use of this body scrub and I'm done showering, even if like I will pour water very, very well to wash off my body very, very well. Yet I will still come outside and my skin will still be feeling like as if I did not even like rinse my body very well. I know that that is what is called moisturized. Like your skin still feels well moisturized, and that is the effect I get from the use of this. So even if you have a dry skin, a dry dull skin, textured skin, KP, keratosis pilaris, yeah, you need this body scrub. And I will also mention it again, it is not something you use every day. You use this 2 to 3 times in a week. Now once you're done with your body scrub, you're done with your shower routine, you now go in with your body moisturizer, which is the second combo, body glow combo I'm going to be recommending or giving you in this video. And we are going to be talking about the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. This particular product here. Yes, this is a nice brightening body moisturizer. Now, if you feel like, no, I cannot use this. This does not brighten my skin. This does nothing for me. Don't worry. When you combine these three, you will see that your skin, that your dull skin, it will not be the case anymore, because you have exfoliated your skin. You have used something like this to back this up. When it comes to treating dark spots, you don't depend on only one product. That's another mistake some people make as regards treating dark spots. They expect only one product to get the job done for them. You need other supporting products to really support it. So if you feel like this does not do anything for you, first of all, this is not a dark spot correcting body moisturizer. Let's put that one aside. But this will actually help you to brighten your skin and actually help you to get rid of dull skin. But what I'm trying to explain here is that if you want better results from this body moisturizer, then it needs support, it needs help, and that is where the body scrub comes into play to help it, and also the body oil I'll be recommending later on in this video. It is together, the three of them together will help the body moisturizer. So yes, this is a good brightening body moisturizer, and the key ingredients here, we have 95% of pure vitamin C. This also contains pearl extract, it contains turmeric in it, and it contains SPF 15 to give your skin some level of sunlight protection. Now for this one, I would say that this is better for people that has oily skin, or you easily sweat out on your body, then you appreciate this. Now just for people that has dry skin, I would actually say you should make use of this one instead. So this one is the Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care Body Moisturizer. But in terms of brightening, I feel like this brightens better than this. But the main product I am recommending for this 3 body care combo is this one. And that is why I also had to bring in a body oil, because I understand that some people that are watching this video actually has a dry skin. As a matter of fact, me that I'm filming this video, I have a dry skin, and only this cannot moisturize my dry skin body. I need a body oil with this. So that's the reason why the third body glow combo is going to be a body oil to supplement it. Okay, but before we get to that step, let's keep talking about this one. So for this one, the size is 400 ml, and then the price is, I think it should be 6,000 naira now. I'm not sure. Let's just call it 6,000 naira. That's the price of this one. So these two together already makes it 10,000 naira. 6,000 naira, 4,000 naira, 10,000 naira. Now, once you're done with your body moisturizer, for people that has a dry skin, you will need a body oil with this. But if you have an oily skin, you might not need a body oil. You can choose not to use a body oil. But if you still want to use this body oil I'm going to be recommending, let's say it's because you want to use it to further treat dark spots on your skin, because this body oil I'm going to be recommending is actually a dark spot. It's a treatment body oil basically, and the body oil I'm talking about is the Veet Gold 3-in-1 body treatment oil, skin repair body treatment oil. This is a body oil that I have been using for, like, should I say, almost 2 years now that I have been using this body oil, and I really like this body oil. So for this body oil, how this is going to help you fade dark spots on your skin and also get rid of dull skin is because it is infused with quite a lot of skin nourishing and dark spot correcting ingredients. Let's go through the ingredient list. It contains 100% of pure plant extract in it, which is going to help you, to even your skin complexion, to tone your skin, to help you get rid of uneven skin complexion, to help you get rid of a dull looking skin. And then the pure plant extract here also helps to boost skin's elasticity and skin's firmness. Okay, now other ingredients in this body oil, we have vitamin C. It contains kojic acid, a good skin lightening ingredient. It contains arbutin. So kojic acid, arbutin helps to fade dark spots. That's what it's like formulated for. And then this also contains SPF 20, which is another reason why I like this body oil, and I call this a protecting body oil. Because of SPF 20, it will give your skin some level of protection from sunlight. Okay, then this also contains rejuvenating multivitamins to further, get rid of dull skin and also nourish your skin. And then it contains additional oils which will even nourish your skin further, and that's the sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, and jojoba seed oil. So these are just some of the key ingredients in this Veet Gold 3-in-1 body treatment oil. So that is to say that this body oil, together with the body scrub and the body moisturizer for this treatment body care combo, it is going to help you better further to really fade dark spots. But remember, like I mentioned earlier, exfoliation is a must. You need to be exfoliating your skin. When you exfoliate your skin, you give these other products the chance to work better. You give it the chance to work better on your skin. Let the goodness of this product go, into your skin's layer and actually work from inside to really help you go deep in your skin and then treat and kill all those dark spots in your skin. So you need exfoliation. Now, this product like I have mentioned earlier, this product can be used every day. It can be used in the morning. It can be used at night. The size of this is 150 ml, and the price of this is 8,000 naira to 8,500 naira. So you can see that this combo, the three of them, is not even up to 20k. The three of them sums up to 18,000 naira. The three of these, the body scrub, the body moisturizer, and the body oil. So it is actually an affordable body care routine that will still get the job done. So I hope you actually found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this product will be very, very beneficial for you. Please kindly give your girl a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, very, very important, so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing and informative content like this. So my loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.